29 wide, 8.65 rise. Had them for a year and they never slipped, so they must be half decent. Jump Off Remix V2 stem. I love it. It's pretty deadly. Primo headset. Cult DeHart grips. Power ends, they're the best ones. Eclat Stream forks. I love them. They're actually pretty decent. Odyssey 7KA rim with a Primo N4 hub. Just got it like 3 days ago, all laced up and stuff. Duro 2.25 Fat Tire. I really like it. It's pretty good. Federal Ty Morrow signature frame. Had it for like 6 or 7 months now. It's pretty good. I love it. Odyssey 41 thermal cranks. They're pretty old and beat up, but they're good. Shadow Ravager, aluminum or metal pedals, I don't know. Shadow sprocket. My chain snapped, so I don't have one of those. Sputnik bottom bracket. It's squeaky and stuff. Like it's done. It's pretty crappy. The back hub, I got an Odyssey V3 cassette or something. It's pretty garbagey. I went through like 3 drivers already, so I wouldn't recommend that. Another Odyssey 7KA, another Duro tire, shadow sprocket, and shadow seat post, and yeah.
Let's take a trip. Just sit back and light a split with this and don't slip on a funky dope track. Jump back, strapped with a fat Buddha sack and a 7/8 black. Don't clean, gangsta lean. I got green, but I serve drugs like it ain't no thing. It's so sweet. If you got money to spend, I got a proper big book and a private bench. I make ends, spend my dough on no foe. That's how it is and that's how it goes. Act like you know when I creep real slow, giving love to the players that I know is real G.
Can you put your middle finger out the window? Get fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it. You get the Prozac to the hose, that keep your dope back.
Or you might get what we call a rat pack. I get so down by the scandalous trick. Let me hit it one time. The trick that's it, but don't trip. Gives my dope to no foe. That's how it is. I got no love for ya.
And tell this motherfucker